Hell no.
I don't hear nothing.
Right there.
You late, bro.
Hold up. There's some shit in the inside of that.
Huh?
There's some shit on the inside of here.
You can just go ahead and take that part out. See what it is. What if one of your clutches probably unscrewed? We'll do that. There's only 5 screws once you take that thing off right there. Ain't nothing else right there. Then your clutches.
Bitch nigga number.
Or something else to unscrew.
Okay.
Gotta be. It's only your clutches right there, bro. It's 5 screws. And then it's a plate, clutch plate.
Yo, hey, my clutch basket rattling. Yeah, look, watch this. Hold it.
I'm saying one of his clutch screws probably came on loose. That's holding the clutches.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. It gotta be that. Ain't nothing else right there.
You said what?
Tell me that's what it is.
Off that cover right there. And you should be able to tighten it up right there. It probably went
That's the only thing it could be, bro.
Yeah.
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 That shit probably just loosened out. One of them springs probably just backed it out.
Alright.
Yeah.
And then we put a Lou gave me another cap for the damn coolant. That shit is still doing the same shit.
It's coming out there. Did you drain some of that shit out of there?
This shit empty as hell. Every time I check it, it be empty. The coolant on the radiator be empty. It be low as fuck. Every time I fill it back up, it be low as hell. It's coming out this tool right here. You said what? Alright.
He said what?
Bring the bike to him tomorrow so he can look at it. I'm not unscrewing that shit, cause I ain't good at shit.
All you gotta do is tighten up a spring.
I'm not
bro.
tightening up nothing.
That's all it is. I'm telling
I'm
you.
not tightening up nothing. He fixed this shit, he built this shit, he gonna fix this shit. This shit shouldn't be doing this shit.
The pack ass ain't nothing. Nigga talking about the liquor store. We was sitting there for like 20 minutes. Ain't nobody come to the liquor store.
They come down, come to Alley right now.
I'm finna go down Gresham. Come on, just run out. The fuck is that noise? You talking about some come out?
Cause his dad was in front of the martyr bus going slow. I'm talking about the
I'm trying to see what the fuck that noise is.
I'm like, what the hell this nigga
My
doing?
shit still recording.
When I passed by him, he didn't say something wrong with my bike, so I just kept going. I was like,
Say what beat.
Hey yo, hey yo.